Hi guys, we're jumping straight into the tutorial. I already did my eyebrows and foundation, so I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids with the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer and blending it out with my beauty blender. And then I'm going to set it with some powder. We're going to start with the Makeup Geek Peach Smoothie eyeshadow, and I'm running that through my crease and above. Next, I'm taking the yellow shade in the Morphe 35C palette. I'm placing it in the same area where I put the peach smoothie shade. Next up is Makeup Geek's Chickadee eyeshadow. I am blending it into the crease once again, but this time I'm taking more time to blend it out and smoke it out a little bit. Going back to that yellow shadow on a flat brush, I'm taking that into the lid. I had a hard time building this shadow up. I wanted to be really intense, so I kept going back and forth with a brush and my fingers to make it really intense. Next, I'm taking a little bit more of the Chickadee shade on that same blending brush and just making sure there's no harsh. I'm taking an angled brush and using the same Chickadee shade, I'm just trying to deepen the outer V just a tad bit. And don't forget to blend once more. Now I'm using the e.l.f. cream liner in the shade Coffee, and on an angled brush from Inglot, I'm using it to create a winged liner. I'm using a brown one because I feel like brown looks better with this yellow eyeshadow, but you could use black if you want to. I did put my lashes off camera. I'm going to conceal using the same concealer, the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer, and blending it out with my beauty blender. I'm going to speed this up a little bit so it's not that boring. To set it, I'm going to use the Mercier translucent powder. I'm going to leave that on to bake while I finish the rest of my face. I'm going to use the Bahama Mama bronzer to contour. Of course, you gotta contour the nose. I'm using the same Bahama Mama bronzer. Next, an oldie but a goodie, I'm using Milani's Luminoso blush. Now with a stippling brush, I'm dusting off the powder, and I'm also using it to set the rest of my face. Like whatever is left on the brush, I'm putting it on the rest of my face. For my highlight, I'm using the Balm-Mary Lou Manizer, putting it on the high points of my face, like the tops of my cheeks, my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow. Going back to the eyes, I'm using the same highlighter to highlight my inner corners and my brow bone. Next, I'm using MAC's Costa Riche liner to line my waterline and to tightline as well. We're going to use the same bright yellow shade and just run it underneath the lower lash line, and then I'm deepening it up with the shade Chickadee. Then I'm just putting on some mascara. And for my lipstick, I'm taking Kat Von D's Lolita 2 liquid lipstick. And topping it off with some gloss from NYX. This shade is called Creme Brulee. Then just take whatever setting spray you have and we're all done. I'm going to fix my hair and I'll be right back. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe so you could see more videos from me. Until next time, bye!